Okay, in this video we'll be talking about reflex arcs, starting with our stimulus, which will be you just got stabbed with the nail. So the receptors in the skin are going to reach summation, which will activate an action potential to travel down a sensory neuron, which will be afferent, since it's sending information from the peripheral nervous system into the central nervous system. That sensory neuron will be unipolar. So the sensory neuron will connect to an interferon neuron in case the reflex arc is somatic. If it's an automatic reflex arc, there won't be an inner neuron. But that will be our first synapse between the sensory neuron and the interneuron. The interneuron is going to be multipolar and is going to be an association neuron. It's important to notice that the interneuron, it's solely in the CNS. No part of it sticks out into the PNS. So after that, the interneuron will synapse with a multipolar efferent motor neuron. It's efferent because it's sending information from the central nervous system out into the peripheral nervous system. So that action potential will travel down the motor neuron and is going to cause our third synapse, which will be between the motor neuron and the skeletal muscle. And this is what we have studied before as the neuromuscular junction, which will cause the arm or the body part that was stabbed to finally move to that initial stimulus. And that is the reflex arc.